What's up everyone and welcome to today's drawing lesson. In this tutorial we'll be learning the fundamentals of drawing step by step by drawing Zombie Sonic. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a small oval for the nose. We're going to start at the very top in the middle, come down and then back up. Along the top of the nose we're going to draw a small circle for highlight and we'll fill the bottom in black. Now let's move to the side of the nose. We're going to draw the top edge of the muzzle. Starting on the left we're going to bend this out and then down. Do the same thing on the right side. Now let's create a fold. We're going to step back, bend this up, and then out. Let's round up the cheek, and then bend that back in. Now you want to line the bottom with some teeth. So starting on the left, we're going to go up, and then bend that down. Let's add another one. Going up, and then down. Now I want to add one more on either side, going up and then down towards the center. Now I'm going to fill each of these gaps with a tooth. We're going to connect these 2 points, coming down, round out the tooth, and pull that back up. And do the same thing to each socket. Let's add some blood dripping from the mouth. We're going to start on the left side, bend this in, and then down. Add that drip coming back up, come down, and just tuck that up underneath the tooth. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. We're going to come all the way down, bend this up, come down, up, and then out. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the eyes. We're going to start right in the center of the nose, draw a straight line going up across the brow. Let's go over toward the left side, bend the brow going up and out, and we'll bend that out towards the end. Let's take that curve and flip it over on the right. Starting from the side of the nose, going up, and we'll bend that out. Let's draw the side of the eye. From the end, we're going to step in, curve around, and then in on top of the cheeks. Now we're going to enhance the brow. Starting from the outside, we're going to go up, go around the eyelid, and then bend that down on the inside. Line it up on the right. Going up, around the eye, and then back in. Now let's add in the ears. Starting on top of the brow, bend this out and then up towards the top. Now let's bend the inside of the ear, coming in and then down. Let's add the trim inside the ears. We're going to start on the left side, just follow that curve going up, come down towards the inside, and I want to curve this out and then down. Let's go in between the ears. We're going to go up from the left side, round this out, and then come down. Let's add a stitch going across the forehead, starting from the left side of the brow, going out, and then up. And we'll add those stitch lines going across that line. Now I'm going to tear open some of the skin. Let's start from the left side, going around, little curves going up. Let's add a small circle on the bottom. Let's add a tear across the top of the right eye. Let's work our way around the brow, and then back down. A spot on the top. Now I'm going to come back and finish off the spikes after we've drawn in the body. So let's start underneath, curve the body coming down and in towards the hips. Now I want to draw that oval in behind, starting from the top, coming down, and then back up. In the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the middle, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and then down. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Now I'm going to round out the bottom of the legs, coming down and up towards the outside. Now let's go back up to the hip. I'm going to curve the leg, going out and then down. Now I'm going to wrap the ankle with that large cuff. From these 2 points, we're going to step up, draw a bracket coming around, go back to the left side, go all the way around towards the bottom, and just tuck that up underneath. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now from the inside, curve the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. Now round out the bottom. Starting from the left side, curve this down, and then up towards the outside. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot, going up, and then in behind the cuff. Now we're going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. We want to take this curve, step up from the toe, curve that across towards the heel, and then from heel to toe on the right side. Now I'm going to add that large stripe across the top of the foot, starting on the left, then it's in and then down, step out, and draw that again. Now we're going to go all the way back up towards the top and draw in the arms. Let's start from the left side, then the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Go to the right, line that up. Now it's going to round up the cuff. And I'll follow that same curve, going up and then in underneath the head. Now I want to draw that same cuff around the wrist. So add that fold. Go to the outside. Come around, just tuck that in. Now we're going to go to the inside and draw a small half circle for the thumb, and we'll close off the end with a bracket. Now on either side, we're going to add 3 fingers clenched into a fist. So we're going to start underneath the thumb, coming down and up around that bracket, step down, curve down and up the second finger, step down again, draw the 3rd finger going around the hand, and then in underneath the cuff. Let's do the exact same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to add the tail coming out from the left side, from the hip, coming down and out, and then taper that back in. Now with the body in place, let's add those 2 sets of spikes across the side. We're going to start from the side of the ear, bend this out, down, and then line it up on the right side. Now I want to pull this up and then in towards the side of the head, to right about there, just beside the eyes. Let's add 1 more set of spikes, going back to the left, come around and then down towards the arms. And we'll pull this up and then in behind the arms. Let's add some more scars across those spikes. Starting from the left side, just adding these little curves, just varying the size, going around, adding a spot, add 1 across the bottom, and moving over towards the right side. Let's add some blood splatter across the hand. Starting from the left side, just going to add a wave, going across towards the thumb, and then we're going to add some more scars across the arms and the legs. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And there we have it. There's a drawing of Zombie Sonic. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. And remember, every time you put paper to pen, you're building confidence, creativity, and control. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.